Hi everyone. If you're using YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget, you know how powerful it is for tracking your finances. But manually entering transactions can be a real drag. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to import transactions quickly and efficiently, so you can save time and stay on top of your budget. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your YNAB account. Head over to the dashboard using your email and password. It's quick and secure. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts tab. This is where all your linked bank accounts are displayed. Select the specific account you want to import transactions into, like your checking or credit card account. Next, look for the Import option. YNAB makes this easy. It supports importing from CSV files or directly from your bank if it's already linked. If you're using a CSV file, start by downloading your transaction history from your bank's website. Make sure the file is formatted correctly according to YNAB's guidelines, which you can find in their help section. Now, upload the file or select your linked bank account. YNAB will process the data and show you a preview of the transactions. This is a key step. Take a moment to review everything. You'll see unmatched items, so match them to existing transactions, categorize them, and check for any duplicates to keep your budget accurate. Once you're happy with the preview, confirm the import. Your transactions should now appear in your account history. Pro tip: import regularly to avoid backlogs, and always double-check for errors to maintain that budget precision. And there you have it. Importing transactions into YNAB is straightforward and a total time saver. If you run into any issues, YNAB's support team is excellent. Give this a try, and let me know in the comments how it goes. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more budgeting tips to help you take control of your finances.